The Pathfinder Volume 55, The Role of Venture Capital in CMC Drug Development, Strategies for Successful Collaboration.
In this audiocast, you will uncover the winning formula to secure venture capital funding within the fiercely competitive biotech industry. In this eye-opening blog post, we delve into the world of regulatory CMC strategies and their pivotal role in impressing VCs. Gain invaluable insights on navigating the complex regulatory landscape, effectively communicating your expertise, mitigating risks, streamlining manufacturing processes, and more. Don't miss out on the chance to boost VC confidence in your CMC strategy and propel your groundbreaking drug candidates towards success. Listen to the audiocast now, impressing venture capitalists with your regulatory CMC strategy.
For small emerging biotech companies seeking funding from venture capitalists, having a robust and well-executed regulatory chemistry, manufacturing, and controls strategy is crucial. This blog post delves into the key elements that will help you impress VCs with your regulatory CMC strategy. From understanding the regulatory landscape to effectively communicating your approach, we provide valuable insights and tips on showcasing your expertise, compliance, risk assessment, manufacturing processes, and more. Join us as we explore the steps you can take to increase VC's confidence in your CMC strategy and enhance your chances of securing the funding needed to advance your innovative drug candidates. In the world of pharmaceutical research and development, bringing a new drug to market is a complex and expensive endeavor. From discovery to clinical trials, the journey is paved with challenges that require substantial financial investments. This is where venture capital plays a crucial role. Venture capitalists support drug development by providing funding for CMC activities. Venture capital is critical in advancing CMC drug development by providing the necessary financial resources, expertise, and guidance. Through strategic investments, venture capitalists fuel innovation, accelerate development timelines, mitigate risks, and build collaborative partnerships with pharmaceutical companies. Their contributions can potentially transform the healthcare landscape by bringing novel therapies to patients faster and more efficiently. Venture capital catalyzes innovation in CMC drug development. Traditional funding sources, such as grants and loans, often fall short when funding the risky and capital-intensive CMC stages. Venture capitalists understand the potential of breakthrough drug candidates and are willing to take calculated risks. Their investments enable pharmaceutical companies to advance their CMC strategies, including drug formulation, process development, and manufacturing scale-up, bringing novel therapies closer to needy patients. Effective collaboration between venture capitalists and pharmaceutical companies requires strategic investment decisions. Venture capitalists thoroughly evaluate drug development programs, considering the therapeutic potential, market demand, competitive landscape, and CMC feasibility. By selecting promising projects, venture capitalists contribute financial resources, expertise, and guidance in navigating the complex CMC landscape. This synergy ensures that investments are directed toward drug candidates with a higher probability of success. CMC activities are essential for translating drug candidates from the laboratory to the clinic. However, they often require significant time and resources. Venture capital funding can help expedite these activities by enabling pharmaceutical companies to invest in advanced technologies, state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities, and specialized expertise. By doing so, venture capitalists facilitate streamlined CMC processes, reducing development timelines and bringing drugs to market faster, ultimately benefiting patients and the healthcare industry. Drug development inherently involves risks, particularly in the CMC domain. Technical hurdles, regulatory challenges, and unforeseen manufacturing issues can significantly impact the progress of a drug candidate. Venture capitalists are vital in mitigating these risks by offering financial support and working closely with pharmaceutical companies to identify and address potential roadblocks. By leveraging their networks and industry experience, venture capitalists can provide valuable insights and connections that help navigate regulatory pathways and overcome obstacles, ensuring successful CMC development. For successful collaboration, venture capitalists and pharmaceutical companies must establish strong partnerships based on mutual trust, transparency, and shared goals. Open communication is crucial throughout the development process, allowing both parties to align their strategies, address challenges, and capitalize on opportunities. Regular meetings, progress updates, and collaborative decision-making contribute to a productive working relationship, facilitating the efficient utilization of financial resources and expertise, while venture capitalists seek financial returns on their investments. Balancing short-term expectations with the long-term success of CMC drug development is essential. The drug development process is complex, with uncertainties and unforeseen delays. Venture capitalists must understand the inherent risks and commit to supporting the pharmaceutical company through various development stages. Similarly, pharmaceutical companies must provide clear communication and realistic projections to manage investor expectations and ensure harmonious collaboration. Small emerging biotech companies and venture capitalists share a common interest in advancing innovative therapies and bringing them to market. CMC considerations are a crucial aspect of drug development for both parties, and they recognize its significance in the overall success of a drug candidate. Here's a deeper look at the perspective of small emerging biotech companies and VCs regarding CMC. Small emerging biotech companies. Small biotech companies often possess deep scientific expertise in their therapeutic areas but may lack extensive knowledge in CMC. They understand the importance of partnering with experienced CMC professionals or contract development and manufacturing organizations to address formulation, manufacturing, and regulatory challenges. Small biotech companies typically have limited financial and operational resources. They rely on venture capital funding to support their CMC activities, including process development, manufacturing scale-up, analytical testing, and quality control. Access to VC funding allows them to build the necessary infrastructure and expertise to navigate the complex CMC landscape effectively. Small biotech companies recognize the critical role of CMC in meeting regulatory requirements. They understand that robust CMC data and documentation are essential for regulatory submissions and successful approvals. Collaboration with VCs helps ensure that the CMC aspects of their development programs meet the necessary regulatory standards, increasing the chances of successful commercialization. Speed to market and cost control are vital considerations for small biotech companies. They seek efficient and cost-effective CMC strategies to advance their drug candidates. VCs with expertise in CMC understand these needs and collaborate with biotech companies to optimize development timelines, minimize manufacturing costs, and maximize the chances of success. Venture capitalists. VCs thoroughly evaluate the technical and regulatory feasibility of a drug development program, including its CMC aspects. They assess the scientific rationale, available resources, and potential roadblocks to determine the risk-reward profile. VCs look for drug candidates with clear and achievable CMC strategies that can address scalability, stability, and manufacturing challenges. VCs conduct thorough due diligence on a biotech company's CMC capabilities, including the availability of experienced CMC personnel, partnerships with CDMOs, and access to specialized manufacturing technologies. They evaluate the quality of CMC data and the company's ability to meet regulatory requirements. This assessment helps VCs make informed investment decisions and ensures that CMC is a key consideration in their investment strategy. VCs aim to create value for their investments by supporting biotech companies in achieving critical development milestones, including successful CMC activities. They actively contribute expertise, industry connections, and financial resources to enhance CMC strategies and overcome technical challenges. VCs recognize that successful CMC development is a key driver of value creation as it brings the drug candidate closer to regulatory approval and commercialization. VCs have a vested interest in the long-term success of biotech companies and their drug candidates. They consider the commercial viability of a drug candidate, including its CMC attributes, when planning exit strategies, such as mergers, acquisitions, or initial public offerings. VCs aim to maximize returns on their investments by supporting companies with robust and well-executed CMC plans, ensuring attractive opportunities for potential acquirers or investors. In general, small emerging biotech companies and venture capitalists recognize the critical role of CMC in drug development. They collaborate closely to address technical and regulatory challenges, optimize timelines and costs, and ultimately enhance the chances of successful commercialization. The alignment of interest between biotech companies and VCs ensures that CMC considerations are prioritized and integrated into the overall development strategy, benefiting both parties. Impressing VCs with information about the regulatory CMC strategy requires a comprehensive understanding of the regulatory landscape and the ability to communicate your approach effectively. Here are some key points to consider. Present a clear and well-defined regulatory roadmap outlining the steps and milestones involved in the CMC strategy. This demonstrates your understanding of the regulatory process and ability to navigate it effectively. Highlight the regulatory expertise within your team or any external consultants or advisors you have engaged. Emphasize their experience guiding similar drug candidates through regulatory submissions and approvals, particularly in the CMC domain. Showcase your commitment to complying with regulatory guidelines and standards. Discuss how your CMC strategy aligns with the requirements of regulatory agencies, such as the FDA, EMA, or other relevant authorities, to ensure the safety, efficacy, and quality of your drug candidate. Demonstrate your ability to identify potential risks and challenges associated with CMC development. Present a comprehensive risk assessment and mitigation plan, showing how you plan to address potential issues related to formulation, manufacturing process, scalability, stability, impurities, and analytical methods. Highlight the robustness and scalability of your manufacturing processes. Discuss your process development strategies, including process optimization, characterization, and validation to ensure consistent and high-quality manufacturing of your drug candidate. Provide evidence of your ability to meet current good manufacturing practices standards. Showcase your quality control and assurance systems to ensure product quality and compliance throughout the manufacturing process. Discuss your approach to analytical testing, release criteria, and stability studies to demonstrate that your drug candidate meets the required specifications. Describe your interactions and communications with regulatory agencies throughout the development process. If you have received regulatory feedback or engaged in pre-IND, IND, or other regulatory meetings, highlight the positive outcomes and any adjustments made to your CMC strategy based on the agency's recommendations. Discuss your IP strategy, including any patents or trade secrets related to the CMC aspects of your drug candidate. Highlight the uniqueness and competitive advantage of your manufacturing processes or formulations, emphasizing how they contribute to your product's value and market exclusivity. Provide realistic timelines and budget estimates for regulatory submissions and approvals. Show that you have a well-considered plan for resource allocation, including financial resources, to meet regulatory requirements within projected timelines. If you have engaged regulatory consultants or CMC experts with a successful track record, highlight their involvement and the value they bring to your CMC strategy. This demonstrates your proactive approach in seeking external expertise to optimize regulatory outcomes. Remember, effective communication is vital when presenting your CMC strategy to VCs. Clearly articulate the importance of regulatory compliance, risk assessment, and robust manufacturing processes to ensure your drug candidate's safety, efficacy, and quality. By showcasing your regulatory expertise and a well-thought-out approach, you can impress VCs with your understanding of the regulatory CMC landscape and increase their confidence in your development program.
Thank you for listening to this audiocast. Are you an emerging biotech or established pharmaceutical company struggling to keep up with the ever-changing landscape of drug regulations? Look no further than Incrisi. We are the leading consulting group helping organizations comply with drug regulations through a comprehensive drug development model incorporating augmented intelligence and data analytics. Our industry experts can guide you through the complex world of compliance, making it more manageable than ever. With our Reimagining Regulatory Pathways services, we can help you design and implement best practices to streamline your operations and ensure you stay in line with current legislation. Our range of services covers regulatory drug development's technical and strategic aspects. Let us help you develop an overall strategy that accounts for all potential risks while still being able to meet your objectives. Visit our website at www.enkrisi.com to learn more and get started on the path to regulatory compliance success.